Hello friends, today we discuss about how to find factor of any quadratic equation. So here quadratic equation is given 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So follow some simple steps to find factor of any quadratic equation. So step number 1, multiply x square coefficient and last constant term. Here x square coefficient, that is 12, and last constant term, that is 1. So in first step, multiply x square coefficient and last constant term. Here x square coefficient, that is 12, and last constant term, that is 1. So multiply. So 12 into 1 is equal to 12. In second step, see last sign, that is either positive or negative. So here last sign, that is positive. So if the last sign is positive, then decreasing the previous number, and if last sign is negative, then increasing the previous number. So here last sign is positive, that's why decreasing the previous number. Here number is 7, so decreasing this number step by step. So first write 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here number is 7 and last sign is positive, that's why decreasing previous number. So start at with number 6. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, decreasing number, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you see that where is the answer is 12, because in first step we get answer, that is 12 into 1 is equal to 12. So here you can see that 4 into 3, that is 12. So 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Then you see that addition of these two numbers must be 7, because here last sign is plus, and because of this plus sign, addition of these two numbers must be equal to the middle term. So here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and we get answer, that is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. That's why our answer is right. In next step, middle term split. Here quadratic equation that is given 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So middle term, that is 7. We get answer 4 into 3. That's why here write 12x square. In place of minus 7x, we write minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. So 4x common. So in bracket 3x minus 1. And in this steps minus 1 common. So in bracket 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 are the factors of this given quadratic polynomial. Again I repeat, in first step, multiply x square coefficient and last constant term. Here x square coefficient is 12 and last constant term, that is 1. So multiply 12 into 1 is equal to 12. In step number 2, see this last sign. Here last sign is positive, that's why decreasing the previous number. So start with 6. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and get answer 12, because in first step we get 12 into 1 is equal to 12. So here 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and here last sign is a plus, that's why addition of these two numbers must be equal to the middle term. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So our answer is right. And in step number 3, middle term split. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1. In place of middle term we can write minus 4x minus 3x, because we get answer 4 into 3. So 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. 4x common, 3x minus 1, minus 1 common, 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1, 4x minus 1 are the factors of the given quadratic equation. We see another example, that is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Similar steps follow in this example. So in step number 1, multiply x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient, that is 2, and last constant term, that is 3. So multiply x square coefficient and last constant term, we get 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And in second step, see last sign, that is plus or minus. So here last sign, that is plus 3. So here plus, that's why decreasing the previous number. Here number is 7. So again we start from 6. So 6, 5, 4, 3. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. In first step our answer is 6. So here we get answer in first step, 6 multiply 1 is equal to 6. Again this last sign is plus, That's why addition of these two numbers must be equal to 7. So here we get 6 into 1 is equal to 6. That's why 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we get answer is equal to 7. So our answer is right, because 6 into 1 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. In step number 3, middle term split. So here a quadratic equation is given 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So in place of middle term we can write plus 6x plus x, because we get 6 into 1. So 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. So 2x common in bracket x plus 3 plus 1 common in bracket x plus 3. So x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 are the factors of this given quadratic equation. Again I repeat, in first step multiply x square coefficient and last constant term. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. In step number 2, see this last sign. If this last sign is positive, then decreasing the previous number. So here number is 7. So decreasing this number. So start with number 6. So 6, 5, 4, 3 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. We get answer 6. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So here plus sign, that's why addition of these two numbers must be equal to the middle term, that is 7. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. In step number 3, middle term split. So 2x square plus 7x plus 3, that is given quadratic equation. So 2x square, in place of middle term we write 6x plus x. So middle term split. So 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Here 2x common, so in bracket x plus 3 plus 1 common, so in bracket x plus 3. So x plus 3, 2x plus 1 is the answer. We see another example, that is 6x square minus 6x square plus 5x minus 6. This is another quadratic equation. So in this equation also, first step is multiply x square coefficient and last constant term. Here x square coefficient, that is 6, and last constant term, that is again 6. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So in first step multiply x square coefficient and last constant term, that is 6 into 6, we get 36. In step number 2, see the last sign. Here the last sign is minus 6. So minus is the last sign. If minus is last sign, then increasing the previous number. So here number is 5. So we start from number 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 into 1, that is 6. 7 into 2, that is 14. 8 into 3, that is 24. 9 into 4, that is 36. So in first step we get answer 36. So here we also get 9 into 4 is equal to 36. And here last sign is minus. So that's why subtraction of these two numbers must be equal to 5. So we get answer 9 into 4, that is 36, and 9 minus 4, that is 5. So our answer is right. And in step number 3, middle term split. So 6x square plus 5x minus 6, that is given quadratic equation. So middle term split, that's why we put here 9 plus 9x minus 4x. So 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. So first, from first two numbers we common 3x. So 3x common, in bracket 2x plus 3 minus 2 common, so in bracket 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 are the factors of this given quadratic equation. Again I repeat, in first step multiply x square coefficient and last constant term. That's why x square coefficient, that is 6, and last constant term, that is again 6. So 6 into 6, that is 36. See this last sign, here last sign is negative. That's why increasing this previous number. So here number is 5. So we start from number 6 and in increasing form. That's why 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. And see where is the answer is 36. So here 9 into 4 is equal to 36. And here last sign is negative. That's why subtraction of these two numbers must be equal to 5. So here 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So our answer is right. And last step, 6x square plus 5x minus 6, that is given quadratic equation. and in step number 3 middle term splits, so that's why in place of 5x we can write 9x minus 4x. So 3x common, 2x plus 3, minus 2 common, 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 are the factors of this given polynomial. Thank you.